Hey y'all, it's Carmen. I'm here to share some of my winnings. A small haul from Dollar Tree. Some of it's a repurchase. Some of it is stuff I have not seen at my Dollar Tree before. And then also, if I've got time to go through a paper pad that I had purchased from In Love Arts, and a tiny D-stash that I had purchased from a YouTuber. Let's start here with Miss Sweet Corn. She is Cornflower Crafts on YouTube, and look at that cute card. You know, the funny thing is, she told me, she said, I'm sorry I didn't get to make you a card, but look how gorgeous that is. I'm going to show the back. Make sure I'm showing the back, because I don't want to give out any of her information, but I wish y'all could see the front. The front is all decorated too. Sorry I had to rip in the top, but isn't that so cute? What I had won is I had said her secret words, and she sent me these little cutouts that are from Bo Bunny, and are they not cute? And I think there is 5 of them that I get to use on some great projects, and I think I will be using one of these today. Actually, we're going to see what I can do. But are they not cute? I love little candies, and her little saying is always so funny. Y'all have to know who she is. Corn is just the sweetest, and of course she's got Handsome and Toby and Twerp Twerp. So if you have not only do you go over there and just calm by her sweet little voice, but they always make you smile, all of them. But she says, Dear Carmen, hello. I hear mighty good people come from your neck of the woods. Well, I sure hope so. I hope you enjoy creating something with your winnings. Bo Bunny is yummy. Thank you for supporting my channel. Take good care, Corn. So thank you, Miss Corn. I honestly appreciate that. And then Rose with Beauty Boss Planner. Girl, we have had such a hard time getting my package to her for her entry, and I don't know. It's supposed to be there today, so y'all say a little prayer for that one. But it got all the way to her location just for them to send it back, and the address and everything was correct. The weight was correct. The shipping price was correct. The only thing that my post office lady could come up with was the last name. So we decided to readdress it, and I had to reship it in a new package. So cross your fingers, say a little prayer she gets it today, because I just want her to have it, and I was so proud of that little stuffed envelope. But anyway, she says she did her, excuse me, y'all, as always, we finally got a little bitty teeny tiny bit of rain. Maybe that will calm things down around here. But she did her 5,000 subscriber drawing, and I was the lucky winner. And so she says, hello, Cupcake. Thanks for all the love and support. Congratulations on your winning. I hope you enjoy. Love, Rose. She is YouTube Beauty Boss Planner, and on IG Beauty Planner 86. So y'all make sure y'all go check her out. And this is what she has wonderfully created. Is that not awesome? So fun. And I have not looked through it, so I do not know everything. I know she shared a little bit, but she said there would be some surprises in here. But look at the butterflies, and it says wonderful. She's got a little tassel right here. You know, I do not own anything like that, so that is so cute. So I'm going to see and look. So summery. I know she said she wanted to go ahead and do one more summer thing, just in case. Sorry, I had a little string there I wanted to get off because I wanted to show it justice. But how cute, and look at these little pom-poms on the side. And she's got all this gorgeousness in here. Oh my goodness, and I don't have anything like that. How pretty. It is so summery and so fun. Let's see, I don't want to pull anything out that doesn't belong. It's supposed to be stuck. Oh, she colored that in. She stamped it. I love that. And more yummy stickers. I love these. Summer or not, I'll be using those. Summer or not. And look how she did this little pocket. Is that not precious? Absolutely precious. Thank you so much. I love it. Let's see if we can stick these back in there. I might have to just kind of put them there real quick so I don't run out of too much time. If I start running out of time, then I'd rather give them the time they deserve and then go through do a second video. Look at this pocket, y'all. I love how she did this. She's got it like a pocket right here. And then she's got it folded over. This would be this would be a stuffed bag, not a stuffed envelope, correct? Y'all remember, I'm still learning. And then she's got some of the crepe paper, and it's stuck, and it's folded over. I just love how that's folded over like that. And then she's got this little goodie in here with some roses. Look at those little girls. Are y'all getting a glare? Look at them. How cute. I love them. And it says, hello, summer. I'm almost, believe it or not, I've got some Halloween stuff going out, but my eyes are just loving the look of this because as much Halloween as I've done and been working on, I'm about burnt out on Halloween already. How cute is that? Wild style, great. I love it. How cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, did she embellish a little notebook? Let's see what we got here. Got to look at the cuteness. Don't want to hurt anything. I love little girls with their little hair up in a bun. You know why? Probably because I keep mine up like that all the time. I'm too lazy to do anything with my hair. And that's dimensional roses. I love that. It is. And look at the little cute little clothespins. I mean, clothespins. Paper clips, gem clips. How cute is that? Thank you. I love that. I love anything I can take little notes on. I'm telling y'all, I go through notebooks. I've got notebooks for 100 different reasons. And I just love it. And look at that. Oh, look, see little watermelon. I just love that pom-pom trim. I have not seen that. That is so colorful and so fun. Slice of summer. How cute. Love it. Thank you, girly. Thank you, girly. Oh, yes, ma'am. I do not have these at all. I have seen people have them. Gotta get the satisfaction. Oh, I love them. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And more stickers. Beach Fun. Bon Voyage. And I'm sorry if I'm giving y'all a glare. Surf's Up. I Heart Summer. Sweet Summer. Just Happy. Good Day. And Hello Sunshine. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Make sure nothing else. Thank you so much. And that's my winnings from Miss Rose with Beauty Boss Planner here on YouTube. And I appreciate it so, so much. I was so excited that my name was in there. I don't want to mess anything up. But I appreciate it, and I cannot tell you thank you enough and how much I'm grateful for this. And I'm just grateful that y'all take the time out to include everybody. Y'all are just super sweet. Let's see. I think we've got a little bit of time. I'll go ahead and do this real quick. I had gotten a stash, and I apologize. I can't remember. I've bought a couple of them, so I cannot remember exactly who. I want to say, I hate throwing names out there, but I want to say Kim. But she was doing a de-stash, and I bought a couple of things. And I bought a couple of black buttons with some black design around the edge of it. And I need to find them because I'm wanting to use some of those right now. But I had got one of these packs of yo-yos. She was limited on how many, so we were lucky if we was able to get one of them. And so look, I love yo-yos. So you can see all the different designs. So I hauled these, and I'm going to definitely be using some of these. I'm just going to lay them over here so y'all can see them. I wish I could show them a little black buttons, but you've seen black buttons before. It was the design around it that made them so cute, but it's hard to pick up on screen anyway. But, so, yeah, I'm finally starting to build up a stash of some things I can use in embellishments. But I'm saving that one. And then I got this beautiful, gorgeous lace. And this is kind of it's a more firm lace. And I've got a couple ideas for this. But I just loved it. I thought it was great. Very wide. Very, very wide. So, I love it. And you can, do so much with that during Halloween. My colors in my craft room are going to be gray. So, guess what? It's going to be used in here, too. So, I loved it. So, I got that. And then this. Y'all, let me put these up real quick. See if I can drop those back down in the little bag. And I'm spilling them everywhere. Of course, that's me. It has been something else, y'all. I'm trying to stay as positive as possible. So, I don't want to bring anybody down. But it just has been so rough. And I'm just trying to think positive and stay positive. How about that? But look at this gorgeous fabric she had. I was so lucky to be able to get my hands on some of this. Do y'all see these girls? That one right there. Me and my blonde hair. I just love it. I love them all. I love every one of them. But I'm trying to decide. I definitely will fussy cut out some and use them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the rest, but I'm going to figure it out because I just think it's so pretty. Just such a gorgeous fabric. So, that was my de-stash haul that I had purchased online. Or here on YouTube, actually. Oops, I lost a little glitter. And then this came from In Love Arts. And I can't remember whose link I found it from. I've heard of In Love Arts, but they had shared this paper pad. And I have not opened it yet. I just got it. It seemed to take a little while for them to even ship it and for me to get it. So I was kind of surprised at that. But I don't really know much about the company. So it just might be the location it came from. But let's see. Y'all can see the flip through of all the papers. Obviously, there's 2 in each style. So this is my first. Oh, that's pretty. My first flip through. I love that. I've got a project in mind, and I'm trying to decide which is the best to use. I got the Martha Stewart pastels that I ended up getting off Amazon that everybody was purchasing. I ended up getting it for like $3 and some change. I think it's gone up to $7 and stuff, which is still a really good deal. But look at all those cutouts. Oh, I absolutely love this border. Can y'all see that? It's all sparkly. Oops, sorry. I made you shake. I made you shake. Shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. But yeah, all that's glitter. And that's got the glitter accents. There's a lot of glitter accents to that. So, and then more. And y'all know I love my deers. But yeah, I thought that was pretty. Okay, y'all, since I ran my mouth a little too long, I'm just going to let you know that The Dollar Tree, I'll put it off, or I just won't do it. But I do want to apologize. I'm doing my best. I've got so much I've got going out this week. And y'all please be patient with me. I'm trying my best to go around supporting every channel, leaving a comment, give thumbs up, but I just can't do it. I don't know how in the world Gina does it. God bless her. She is just like superwoman. But in the meantime, please be patient with me. I will be back watching and supporting. I just need some time to get my stuff done. Thank you for that, and I appreciate it. And I wish you all the best.